Okay, so let's answer this question here. It says the smallest value of x for which the graph y is equal to 2 cos of 2x plus 2 touches the x-axis is which of the following? Now, you could do this using your CAS, or you could do it by hand as well. If we were to do it by hand, what would you do? Well, what we're trying to find is my x-intercept. So to find my x-intercept, what do? You let y equal 0. And that means I'm going to get 0 is equal to 2 cos of 2x plus 2. That means if I was to rearrange this, I'm going to end up with this, which is negative 1 is equal to cos of 2x. And then once I've done that, what am I going to do next? I'm going to say, well, what would 2x have to be in order to get negative 1 out? So cos of what angle gives me negative 1? And hopefully you can realize that that means this would have to end up being, if in order for it to be negative 1, I would have to put pi in, because cos of pi is negative 1. Therefore, x is going to be pi on 2. And that is going to be my answer, which is B. X is pi on 2. If you were to do it using your CAS, we're going to go through the same procedure, but just your CAS is going to do the heavy lifting for you. So let's come over here now. We'll come here, and I'm going to go Menu, Algebra, Solve, and I'm going to go, right, I've got 2 of trig cos 2 of x is plus 2, right? And then I'm going to set that equal to 0. And I'm solving it for x. And now this is where, like if I was just to hit enter now, do you see how I get this general solution here? Is because I haven't restricted my domain. So it goes on for infinity. So I don't want that. So what I want to do is I just want to say, all right, don't consider everything. Just consider from 0, control that is less than x, control that is less than 2 pi. Then when we hit enter, oh, what happened there? Sorry, I didn't put that in correctly. I forgot to put a such that symbol, such that. So you need such that, then put the domain. And then as you can see here, it's telling you that the smallest x value is going to be pi on 2, then 3 pi on 2. So that's going to be that right there. And if we were just to look at this, if I go Control C and just look at a sketch of this, Control V, and then I'll get rid of what I don't want here. I don't want any of that. I just want 2 cos of x. Good. We hit enter. And as you can see there, menu, analyze 0 from there to there, 1 point that will be pi on 2. So that's where it's going to first occur, and then 3 pi on 2 will be where it next occurs after that. So you've got 2 options there. You could use your CAS, or you could do it by hand. It's the question of what you think is the quickest way to do it. But at the end of the day, as long as you know how to do it, that's the most important thing. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.